Feels like we're so meant to be. Incredible, credible, incredible, incredible.
Okay, so let's start by applying primer, and for my primer, I'll be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Next, I will apply foundation, and I'll be using the Dior Face and Body Foundation. I'll be using a makeup sponge to blend my foundation. For my concealer, I'll be using the Rare Beauty Concealer. Now I will apply bronzer, and I will use the Rare Beauty Bronzer Stick. Then I will apply a cream blush, and I'll be using the Merit Beauty cream blush in the shade Chicky. Then now I will set my face, and I'll be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I will do my brows, and I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Now I will apply brow mascara, and I will use the Merit Beauty Brow Mascara. Okay, for my eyes, I will be using the Dominique Cosmetics Coral Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. And then I'll be taking this shade and then apply it on my entire eyelids. Also using the same shade, I'm also gonna apply that on my lower lash line. Now, I'll be taking this glittery shade, and then I will apply it on my inner corners. And then I'm just taking the first brush just to remove the harsh line. I want to deepen the outer V of my eyelid, so I'll be taking this shade and then apply it a little bit. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes, and then off cam, I apply eyeliner, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen for my eyeliner. And then for my mascara, I use the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and then I also applied falsies from Kiss false eyelashes. And then now I'll be doing the rest of my face. For my bronzer, I'll be using the Benefit Hola bronzer, this one. And for my blush, I'll be using the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Powder Blush. Now for highlight, I'll be using the Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter. For my lips, I will use the lip combo from Kylie Jenner. This is the Kylie Jenner Bare Lip Liner in the shade Candy Cake. And then also the liquid lipstick. Then for the last step, to set my face, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
You and me, feels like I know we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible.